Okay guys, so we're beginning number 8 on the notes. I'm going to try to speed things up for us slightly here. I've already labeled my equations 1, 2, and 3, and I just want to remind you that step 1 and step 2 are basically the same idea, and we need to make sure that we're eliminating that same variable. Okay, so here I decided that my x's are going to be the easiest to eliminate. So even when I get to step 2, I need to eliminate x using two different equations. So in step 2, I chose to use equation 1 and 3. Okay, so this and this, we eventually need to turn those into positive 15x and negative 15x. But in step 1, it should be nice and easy. Again, make sure that you're adding down each column. So in the second step here, and let me scooch over just a little bit. Again, I chose equations 1 and 3, but I needed to make sure that I'm multiplying both of them. So I'm going to multiply by 5, and I'm going to multiply by 3 so that I get my positive 15x and negative 15x that will help me eliminate. Okay, make sure each term gets multiplied. I'm running out of room here, sorry guys. And here we're going to get 78, negative 78. Okay, so it's very, very, very important that we have the correct sign. Now we can cancel our x. Make sure you have a negative on the 13y when you bring it down. 38z. And my 105 minus 78, always double check everything if you need to. 27. Okay, so this was that equation A and equation B that I was talking about. So when we move into step 3, it says use those resulting equations in order to eliminate another variable. Now if you notice, we should have a y and a z in each equation. If you don't have the same two variables, it means that you didn't eliminate the same variable in step 1 and step 2. So x should be totally gone. But again, we're going to want to eliminate a variable, and I think that the y is going to be the easiest here if we turn them into a positive 26 and a negative 26y. So we're going to have to distribute to both equations. In the top, I'm going to do 13. In the bottom, I'm going to do a negative 2. The reason I have to do a negative this time is so that the two negatives become a positive 26. All right, so we're distributing even to the other side of the equal sign. Oop, and don't let me lose my z. Okay, at the bottom one, we're going to get our positive 26y, 76, and we got to change our sign. When we distribute a negative, it's going to become a negative 76z, and over on the other side, we're going to get a negative 54. Okay, but now we're eliminating y, so we should be left with when we solve, we should get a negative 1 for z. Okay, now I'm just going to show you where we're at quickly. So we have just completed step 3, okay, where we have taken the equations A and B and eliminated y. So we're moving on to step 4. We're going to substitute that -1 for z back into either equation A or equation B. And it doesn't make a difference which one. I'm going to choose to use A here. So again, z, we're going to sub in -1. -9.
Yeah. Oh well. Great. I